Hi, welcome, namaste. I'm Ali, and I'd love to invite you to a free Hatha Yoga immersion coming up very soon. The theme we will be exploring is, what if the wisdom that you've been searching for isn't somewhere outside of you, but already lives within you? So from August 17th through to the 23rd, we invite you to join us for The Wisdom Within, a journey from the root chakra to the crown, a free 7-day Hatha Yoga immersion here on YouTube. This immersion will be hosted by the faculty of our 200-hour embodied wisdom Hatha Yoga teacher training, with myself and Tina, Lauren, and Laura, and we'll be guiding you on a journey through the 7 chakras, one chakra at a time, one new practice each day. And this training only opens up once a year in September around the equinox. So we're getting really excited to begin the 9-month-long deep dive with our next cohort. And we'll begin at the root, creating space to arrive and feel grounded. And from there, we'll move upward through the energetic body, exploring our capacity to feel, to trust, to open, to express, to see clearly, and ultimately to remember the wholeness that has been within us all along. So each practice within this 7-day journey will weave together Hatha Yoga, breathwork, meditation, mindful reflection, and there will be a beautiful invitation to slow down, to listen inward, to reconnect with parts of yourself that may have become quiet beneath the busyness of everyday life. And whether the chakra system is completely new to you or if you've explored it many times before, you are warmly welcomed to join us. And you don't need any special experience or advanced yoga practice, just a little time each day and a willingness to meet yourself exactly as you are. The immersion takes place here on YouTube from August 17th to 23rd, with a new practice releasing every day on each of our channels. So when you sign up, we'll send each day's practice directly to your inbox, so it's easy to follow the journey and you won't miss a thing. This is a beautiful opportunity to practice alongside a community from wherever you are in the world and spend 7 days tending to your body, to your energy, and to your inner world. So 7 days, 7 chakras, one journey to the wisdom within. And we'd truly love to share this experience with you. So please click the link below to sign up for free, and we'll meet you on the mat.